Today is January 1st, 2026. Right now, millions of people are making promises they won't keep. They are writing lists of goals they will forget by February. But you aren't here for a resolution. You're here for a transformation. If you feel like 2025 was a year of almost, listen closely. This is the psychological blueprint to disappearing for 6 months and coming back unrecognizable. Shift 1. The silence rule. The first mistake is talking. When you announce your goals, your brain releases dopamine, making you feel like you've already achieved them. It's a trap. From today, practice the silence rule. Don't tell them your plans, show them your results. Privacy is power. In 2026, let your success be the only noise people hear. Shift 2. The 80-20 focus. Modern life is designed to steal your attention. If you want to win in 2026, you must become a ghost to the distractions. 80% of your results will come from only 20% of your actions. Stop trying to do everything. Pick one skill, one health goal, and one financial target. Forget the rest. Depth beats breadth every single time. Shift 3. Emotional detachment. The biggest hurdle of 2026 won't be your boss or the economy. It will be your own emotions. You will feel tired. You will feel bored. You will feel like quitting. This is where the ghost is born. Discipline is doing what you hate like you love it. When your feelings tell you to stop, let your systems tell you to keep moving. The door to 2026 is open, but it won't stay open for long. You have two choices. Be like the 99% who quit, or become the 1% who conquer. If you're ready to make this your year, comment 2026 is mine below to lock it in. The reset starts now.